Hi everyone, welcome back to Monday Medz Health Nuggets. I'm your host, Tanisha Lawrence, with Monday Medz Health and Wellness Ministry. So yes, we have been journeying through the Mind Your Mind series, and what a powerful series it is. I personally have been blessed by sharing them with you each and every week. And I'm sure that you are being blessed also as we have been getting the feedback from you or attentive listeners. So, as you know, we've been sharing the Mind Your Mind series, and it is one that is so powerful and it is so important that we really cannot exhaust it. And so, one of the things I'd like to share with you in this feature today is that this will be up close and personal. Yes, as we talk about Mind Your Mind, how many times you are in need of help and you refuse to ask? How many times you see someone in need of help and refuse to offer help? Now, this feature is for you. And so as we talk about the Mind Your Mind, did you know that a healthy mind that calls out for help? Yes. If you are in pain and you sit there without seeking help, it is not a good sign. And so naturally, our bodies were made for when there is pain or when there is a need that you seek help for that need. And yes, I know many times we may not want individuals to judge us, so we may not reach out to them. And of course, we have to know who is who. We have to know safe people from people who are not safe. And when I talk about safe people, it's not everyone that is safe with your information. And so you have to definitely ask God for wisdom to know who you can share what with and when. As we talk about sharing information, yes, it is important to share your heart with others. However, better yet, it is important to know who you can share your mind with. Not everyone is ready to receive that which you want to share from your mind. Not everyone is opened to your honesty, and not everyone is ready to accept what you are about to share. And so this is where wisdom comes in for you to know when and how and who to share with. As we talk about sharing with others, there are some individuals you may share your journey with them and it triggers them because they have been there. And sometimes they may respond in a negative manner, not because of you, but because of what happened to them in their own experience or journey. And so don't take it personal if someone lashes out at you while you are sharing your story. Also, it is important to note that not everyone can hold your mind. Not everyone can receive or keep that which you are about to share confidential. Now, note this: if you're in danger, the individual that you're sharing with, they must come to a realization of when they need to share with someone else who can help. Now, if your life was threatened, it is equally important and by law, your responsibility to report the matter. Now, if you shared that your life was threatened with this person, it is vital for them to note that they need to report it to the higher authorities. As we continue this Mind Your Mind series, it is important for us to take care of our minds. And yes, I cannot stress it. You cannot hear it too much. As we reflect on the fact that we all need each other, I'm reminded of this song that was released in 1972. Yes, maybe before so many of us were born. And the song is written by Billy Withers. And here are the lyrics. Sometimes in our lives, we all have pain. We all have sorrow. But if we are wise, we know that there's always tomorrow. Lean on me when you're not strong, and I'll be your friend. I'll help you carry on. For it won't be long till I'm gonna need somebody to lean on. Please swallow your pride if I have things you need to borrow. For no one can fill those of your needs that you won't let show. You just call on me, brother, when you need a hand. We all need somebody to lean on. I just might have a problem that you'll understand. We all need somebody to lean on. Lean on me when you're not strong, and I'll be your friend. I'll help you carry on. For it won't be long till I'm gonna need somebody to lean on. If there's a load you have to bear that you can't carry on, I'm right up the road. I'll share your load. If you need me, just call me. If you just call me. If you need a friend, call me. Call me. Call me. Such beautiful lyrics, and it is such reassuring words that yes, if you need a friend, you can call me. How many of us would call when you need a hand? I know many times for me it's not the easiest thing to do, but I'm encouraged by this song that yes, sometimes you have to swallow your pride and reach out for a hand. And yes, it is mindful to do so. Do not let the burdens of your life get you down, or do not let the burdens of your life take your joy away when there is a hand that you can call on. As we wrap up Monday Medz Health Nuggets today, I'm reminded of the word by the Apostle Paul in 1 Corinthians 10, verse 13. And I read from the King James Version. No temptation has overtaken you except such as is common to man. But God is faithful, who will not allow you to be tempted beyond what you are able, but with the temptation will also make the way of escape that you may bear it. So remember, God will not give you more than you can bear. I pray you'll have an awesome day, everyone, and God be with you. See you soon.